The future is full of financial responsibility. A house, a family, and retirement are just a couple quick examples. What can you do now to be prepared? This is 3 ways to save, long-term tips with basic finance. First and foremost, high-interest savings accounts. Think about your current savings account. Did you know that the bank actually pays you when you bank with them? This is known as interest. The technical term for the amount of interest they will pay you is APY, or annual percentage yield. Most people don't even pay attention to the amount of interest they currently earn because it's so little. This is largely due to the fact that as of 2020, the national APY is just under 0.1%. Yeah, that's not very much. For example, if you had $10,000 in a savings account paying you 0.1% APY, you would make $10 throughout the course of the year, assuming yearly compounding interest. This may not seem like a lot of money, simply because it's just not a lot of money. So what can you do to get a higher APY? This is where online high-interest savings accounts come in. Online banking most definitely comes with its drawbacks, but think of this. When a bank is fully online, they don't have to pay a lot of the operating costs that traditional banks incur. That is part of the reason why they are able to offer a substantially higher APY on their savings accounts. As I did some quick research into some of the APYs available today, I found rates as high as 1.7%. That is 17 times the national average. Some of these banks even reimburse you for all of the ATM fees in order to help you access your money when you need it, and to compensate for the fact that they don't have any physical locations. Let's go back to our example with $10,000 in savings. If you have an APY of 1.7%, you make $170 in interest over the course of the year. That is a difference in $160 in just 1 year, and all you need to do is switch banks. Having said all this, you need to know what is most important for you before you decide to switch to a fully online bank. Make sure the APY is not the only factor you consider. In essence, we simply don't want you to settle for a bank. Do your research and pick the best bank for you that will treat you right. Don't just assume that the bank you have grown up using is the right bank for you. Next, let's talk about understanding the 401k match. 401k plans vary, and they can get complicated. 401ks are retirement accounts offered by employers. They offer tax advantages, and some companies even offer an employer match. The match is exactly what it sounds like. Your employer will match your 401k contributions up to a certain percentage. Here's an example. Say you make $50,000 a year, and your employer offers a 3% match. If you contribute $1,500, your employer will also contribute $1,500. This is literally free money. If you currently don't have a 401k, do your research so that when the opportunity comes along, you will not leave the money on the table. You will save yourself a ton of time and effort simply by taking advantage of this wealth-building tool. Lastly, consider a Roth IRA. This is another great way to save long-term. We have another video that goes more in depth into Roth IRAs. Just click the link above to watch. Simply put, Roth IRAs offer great tax advantages as they let you invest after tax-earned income, and then let it grow tax-free. The simple fact that you will not have to pay taxes on any qualified Roth IRA withdrawals is a game changer in the long run. Better yet, Roth IRAs are not complex to set up. Moral of the story? Make your savings work for you. Take advantage of the resources out there that reward you for saving and help you build on your wealth in the long run. We hope that you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment below on any future financial topics you would like us to cover.